Hey ladies, are you feeling stuck? Are you feeling drained? Does your digestion feel off? You just feel like maybe it's all going to hell in a handbasket and you don't know why because you're doing all the things. So frustrating. You are not alone. You are among good company. This is why I created the Renew group coaching program. In the Renew program, we will take 6 months to move through the CellCore Comprehensive Protocol, and we will do it together in the space of community, in the space of conversation, in the space of connection. You will be offered ongoing support, accountability within your group. We will not be doing just supplementation. We will be focusing on stress. We will be focusing on sleep. We will focus on lifestyle strategies. We want you to feel the best that you can feel, and we don't want you to have to do all the things. So we're really gonna focus on who you're being, how this all feels, how it lands, and we're gonna do it together in community. We are looking for a transformational experience, not a quick fix. If that is up your alley, join us in the Renew 6-month group coaching program.